guys, it's Misty and Kim from Mimi's Wig Boutique. Oh shoot. This is FabFitFun.
But you can still say Mimi's Wig Boutique.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Misty and Kim from Mimi's Wig Boutique, and today we got our, well, we've had them, but we're opening our FabFitFun boxes. So what we can't figure out is why hers is green and mine is yellow. It might be because our subscriptions run a little bit different timing wise, but who knows, we'll see what's inside.
I guess so. I was a little upset because I love yellow, but then I kind of felt special. Because the one that we got to give away is yellow.
Right.
So I'm green. I don't know, that could be bad.
And then, yeah, we saw another one from the mail truck that they were delivering. It was green too.
Oh yeah, that's right. So I'm not special.
You're very special.
But
You're
it's so
very
cute. It has butterflies.
I know, it's for spring. So I don't know where you guys live in the country, but spring's kind of coming here.
I never can remember how to open. There we go.
There you go.
All right. These, I just wish this happened every month.
I know.
Because these are the best boxes.
They are, and they're full size.
You know, in fact, I canceled all my other subscription boxes.
Did you?
I did.
Well, this is the best. I've got another one that I like.
Well, what I love about this is that everything is full size. Like the other boxes I had, you got the samples, and I ended up having too many of those around, and I forget to use them and all that. But
well, that's just because
anyway.
of old age topic is.
This says, "Bite. You look good, but you're about to look better. Bite me." It's crooked teeth. You can get like your it's an liner treatment. Bite me.
I bet that's cheaper than Invisalign.
I'm sure it is.
I bet it is.
All right, who's on the front?
I don't know who that
Gina
is.
Rodriguez. I don't know who that is. Okay.
I think we're too old to know who that is.
Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
Okay.
Already, they're totally different.
They are totally different. I don't see anything. Well, I see one thing similar.
This.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you want to start?
Okay. What's this? I'm gonna have to put my glasses on.
Why?
All right. This is China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection.
Didn't you just say you needed to do a mask?
I did.
I love masks. I just never do them. Oh, how cute.
Oh, how fun. You paint it on with a brush, and they've got Ready Glow Exfoliating Mask or Purifying Mud Mask.
It's like little mud pods.
Yeah, it's almost like the Keurig things. Yeah, and so then you just paint it on. Wow.
That's so cute.
That is cute.
And then that brush will work for any mask later on.
I know. Wow, that's fun. I like that.
Well, I got a necklace. It's like a from Amber Secrets, like a little coins.
Yeah, and it's two. It's like layering.
I don't do too much gold, but it's cute.
It is cute. It's real cute. What's that medallion say?
I don't think it actually says anything.
All right. Oh, you know what? I think that they really customized this for me because this is Revive Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Revive Light Therapy. Oh, it's a light. Oh my goodness. You're going to be jealous.
I am already jealous because it looks like it's all red.
Ooh, it's got batteries. And it probably it makes noises and stuff.
It makes like infrared. I don't know if that's infrared, but it's red, so I called it infrared.
Wow. So I just hold the light. The red light reaches deep layers of the skin. The amber light brings vitality. And there is infrared. Permeates
cool.
deeper.
You got to let me borrow.
So
I mean, I'll buy some batteries for it, but then you have to let me borrow. Because I'm going to be jealous when you're all wrinkle-free.
If you, something tells me you'll still be able to recognize me. Go ahead.
All right, let's see what this is. It says Caravan Design Well Traveled. It doesn't say what it is, so I guess I'll just open it.
I bet it's a bag.
You think?
It says Caravan Well Traveled.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it. scissors.
What did I do with them? Oh, here.
I lost. Oh no, I put my pen in. I got us 2 pair out so we wouldn't have to do that. And look, I already put mine to the side.
Wow, they got that thing all buckled in there.
They certainly do. My goodness. Okay, here we go. It's a rug, I guess.
Oh, cute. That is cute.
Oh, it's my favorite colors, black and white.
Yeah.
Cute. Who knew they were going to put a rug in here?
I've never seen them put a rug in there.
I didn't either. I've got a blanket before, but not a rug.
Yeah.
Anyway.
All right. This is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon.
I got that too.
You got that too? A multitasking beauty sleep savoir for better nights and brighter mornings. It's like
It says it works. This works.
Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep.
Whilst. Is this the same stuff that, remember they did the pillow spray? It kind of smells like it.
It says it's got oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile.
It smells really good. It smells like that. You remember that pillow spray that we got in one of our first boxes? I still have that and use it.
I think I'm going to try this tonight.
Yeah.
After my
this.
mask, after my infrared.
You're going to be tired after doing all that. Okay,
All right.
let's do
We
this.
both. Oh, you want to do this? Silicone straws.
I don't know about this. They tried to get me in that whole paper straw thing. It
Well,
didn't work. Oh my goodness. What in...
it comes with a brush to clean,
But what is this?
a plastic case. What are you supposed to? Oh, maybe the straw they bend,
Oh.
and so I guess you could put it.
It
in
all
the,
depends how it feels. It's the texture thing. On
Whether
how
you're
it feels
drinking
on
a
my
whipped
mouth.
cream topped milkshake, green juice, or your favorite happy hour concoction, these capsules will brighten your favorite beverages. Portable carrying case, so you can clip this to your keychain.
Hold on, y'all. I got my own straw. Yeah, there you go.
And then it's got this little brush where you can clean it. That's pretty cool.
That might be a good idea.
I
if
just
you had
don't.
a kid.
I don't know that I'm going to do this. It's cute. It's environmentally friendly.
I want to feel it on my mouth, but I don't want to do it without washing it.
Yeah, because
You know,
the corona.
the corona.
All right.
I ain't got no corona. Okay, good idea for the environmentally conscious.
Yes.
No paper straws. Okay, you ready to do this?
Yeah. Thermal spring water. Oh, what is that about? Soothing, anti-irritating. Just like me, anti-irritating.
I guess that means I'm the irritating one. I don't know. It's all in French.
Spray, no, the bottom's English. Spray a fine mist on your skin. Wait for a few minutes, then gently pat dry.
Okay.
Gives it soothing, anti-irritating properties. Oh, I guess like if you did a glycolic acid peel or something like that, maybe this
And slept in it like I did?
Yeah, it would soothe your skin.
Yeah, I needed some irritating. Well, you know, it was supposed to burn and it didn't burn, and so I forgot I had it on.
It's from Paris.
Paris. I'm opening mine.
You're supposed to wipe it off after you spritz it.
Oh, I wasn't listening to you.
Well, it's not new.
It says pat dry,
Yeah, it says, yeah, pat.
but then it didn't say wipe it off.
Okay.
Wait for a few minutes, then
Go
gently
for
pat-
it.
Nah, I'll wait. I'll listen. Ooh, what's that flowery thing you got?
I don't know. Oh, it's an umbrella.
Well, you need that. It has rained for like 10 days here.
Yeah, I get caught without an umbrella all
That's
the time.
so cute.
That's cute. That's cute. And that's happy. Everybody
It
needs
is
happy. Don't rain on my parade is what it says.
That's, it's got little ruffles.
Oh, let's just, I know, isn't it like something.
I
you're not
broke
supposed to
3 mirrors at one time the other day. I don't think you opening the umbrella. Oh my gosh.
do? Sorry. Oh! No! Oh, well, it works.
I mean, the bad luck would have been putting my eye out. And
Well-
you didn't do that, so I think you're safe.
All right, why don't you go?
Okay, I'm gonna go. I got a brush. It's a detangling brush.
She got pink hair.
She does. You know, I'm kind of...
Is it like a wet brush?
That's what I'm
brush?
going to feel. Because, I mean, there ain't nothing like a wet brush. I love a
And
wet
you
brush.
love rose gold.
I certainly do. Oh my gosh, that's like a mirror.
Oh, it is. That's like fancy.
I mean, I don't think it's supposed to be a mirror, but I can see myself in it. Yeah, it feels good. It doesn't, the bristles aren't as close as a wet brush, but it does feel good.
Reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. Ideal for smoothing hair, blow drying to create smooth, straight styles and softest.
Feels good.
Oh, they even give you directions on how to brush your hair. I never had
Some people
directions.
need that.
I never had directions
Trust
on how to
me.
brush my hair.
You hold it horizontally because the bristles are staggered.
Whatever.
Okay, your turn.
I have my last item.
No, you got this too.
Oh, I forgot about that. But I want to know about this.
Okay.
These are tea towels.
Oh, those are cute.
They are cute. They're blue and white.
Yeah, those are like really classic. I like those.
These are like the cotton ones that are good for drying.
Yeah, those are really. I love those.
Yeah, those are nice.
That is nice.
And
A little hook.
it's got a hoop for hanging. Whew.
That's cool. All right, what is this? Oh, why can't they just make it easy to say?
Scandinavia. Like Scandinavia,
Oh.
but Scandinavia.
The makeup finishing spray. I am like addicted to finishing sprays. Addicted.
She is. Okay, that you can spray on now because
Okay.
that you don't have to pat dry if you can get it open.
They really work. You know, at first I was like, you know. Well, I got another item. Are you done?
I got another
Okay,
item.
you do yours while I'm opening this.
All right, this is AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, which I need.
I kind of like that AG hair care brand.
It smooths and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly.
I got frizzy, but I don't have
Potent
thick, of course.
humectants and Abyssinian oil do double duty to moisturize and smooth split ends while adding weightless condition and shine to dry, lifeless hair.
They try to make this easy and they never do. Okay, for best results, shake well, apply over makeup, spray 2 to 4
Oh, that smells
times in
good.
an X.
Smell
It smells clean.
that bad. Making a mess on the floor here.
Well, my goodness. Yep, that's all I got. Okay. Finally. Shake well. It says apply in an X.
Got like a there.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
You want to try it? I can't remember what I'm using right now, but I really like it.
I just don't ever notice a difference on that stuff.
Well, I do, because I put a lot of setting powder. It makes my face look dry.
Yeah, you
It's
got
so bubbly.
those all.
Okay, I got one more.
All right.
Murad. Rapid Collagen Infusion.
Is that eye cream or face cream?
I think it's face cream.
That the Murad face cream is so good. I love it.
I've used the eye cream.
I've got the eye cream. I've got the face cream.
Okay, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
This is what it says. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. You don't want to hang around. I'll put it on right now. We got nothing else going on, right?
We can take pictures and stuff.
To use, AM and PM massage evenly over clean face. Oh, I don't have a clean face. I have makeup on. 2 hours.
Well, then okay, they want you to put it on at night. Well,
Who's
then
gonna?
you're
Yeah, I'm
gonna
gonna
be
set my
asleep.
alarm. Anyway,
Sounds good. Murad's, I mean, they make great products. So,
They do.
I doubt they would make that claim if it were not true.
these are an asterisk somewhere that says not backed up by the whatever. Cool.
Oh, I love my box. Okay, so we have another box, and
We
we're
do.
going to give it away. You got to watch Wig Talk Wednesday on March.
A week from tomorrow, which is the 18th, the 25th.
Okay.
March the 25th.
And we're going to ask a question about something we said today, so you got to watch the whole video, and then you've got to be on Wig Talk Wednesday, and then we'll ask the question. And the first one to answer it's going to get the box.
That's right. It won't be hard. We just want to know you watched.
And we don't know what's in that box. It'll probably be a little different than ours because we try to customize ours. But it'll be great no matter what
Yes,
it is.
and it's yellow.
And it's yellow. And it's all ready to be shipped out to somebody.
That's right.
All right.
Thanks for joining us. If you're just catching us for the FabFitFun, we also have a whole channel that we feature wigs. We have a wig store in Dallas, and so just subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook, Instagram,
Twitter, Pinterest.
Follow us everywhere.
Yeah.
So, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.